If you ask Cheboy today and all the elected leaders of Baringo, our agenda number one during the campaign of Kenya Kwanza was peace and security. Peace and security. And William Ruto, our president, when we went to see him in the State House as leaders before we saw you, he assured us, and he has done so publicly, that Kenya will be safe. It is this administration that is going to bring to an end the menace of cattle rustling. And I asked him, Your Excellency, how will you do it? Mzee Kenyatta failed. Mzee Moi failed. Kibaki failed. And Uhuru failed. How will you do it? The answer was, I have a plan. And that is why, and Wasiri, how he spoke to us about the security roads. Then this one he spoke about letting the KDF to participate in building our schools. About the NPR. I have no doubt ya kwamba kilichoko na mwanzo lazima iwe na mwisho. That is my prayer. And God will use you, Wasiri, in this government with the help of the President and all of us to bring peace in this area. I want to conclude by saying, when I was a member of Parliament again, we pushed for a number of new administrative centers, new units, new locations, sub-locations, divisions, and so on. 2 weeks ago, Bwana Wasiri, you came before Senate. And I remember I stood in that house. Na mimi nikakueleza swali moja. When are you going to actualize those units? And you gave a very good answer. It will be done. And based on the areas affected. I think Baringo is one of the affected areas. Wasiri, I want to plead with you. Please begin with Baringo. Those new locations and sub-locations and divisions. It will help to enhance our security in our region. I want to thank the county commissioner, the new man, and our RC, and the entire security leadership in our county. You have our full support, and we look forward